In the previous videos, we've made Gnome's hat body, nose, and arms. In this video, we are going to make belt with black color yarn. Here I use white color yarn to demonstrate. First hold the yarn like this and make a slip knot. Tie the yarn tail to make the loop on the crochet hook firm but loose enough to slide back and forth easily on the hook. Yarn over and pull through. That's 1 chain stitch. In the first row of belt, we'll make 57 chain stitches. After 5 chain stitches, we can see 5 V shape like this. We'll make 57 chain stitches in row 1. Complete the remaining chain stitches. 57 chain stitches of row 1 have finished. In row 2, we start to crochet 56 half double crochets in the second chain from the hook, 56 stitches in total. For all stitches of row 2, we insert hook into this thread only. Let's make the first half double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook into this V. Yarn over and pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Let's make the second one. The third half double crochet. Complete the rest of 52 half double crochets until finish this row. And we'll have a belt like this. Next, we'll make a buckle for this belt. Hold yellow color yarn. Make a slip knot like this before we go. In the first row of buckle, make 12 chain stitches. Twelve chains have made. Then we insert hook into the V of the first chain. And stitch 1 slip stick here to join the first and last stitches into a circle. Make a chain stitch before we continue the second round. In the second round, we'll respectively work a single crochet in the first and second stitch of row 1, then 3 single crochets together in the third stitch of row 1. For groups, 20 stitches in total. Mark the first single crochet. After 2 single crochets, work 3 single crochets together in the next stitch. The first group has made, then we repeat it. After the second 3 single crochets together, repeat the third time. Repeat the fourth time.
2个短针，1个、2个，2个短针好了。接下来这个针目里面钩3个短针，1、2、3，3个短针好了，把
20
线剪
stitches of
掉，
round
不要
2
和第
have
一针做
finished.
引拔。
Then cut the yarn, leave a long tail for sewing and fasten off, weave an end with needle.
把线穿到针里面，把这记号扣拿下来，从第一针这里这样子穿进去，穿进去以后，再从最后一针中间穿进去，这样我们形成一个无痕的引拔。接着再把这个针从后面长一下。这个金
Buckle
色的
has
方块
completed.
就做好了。